In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox browser. When your app is ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Apps. And finally, after hitting Default Apps, tap on any section you wish to manage, like Browser app. Now click on an app you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default app has changed. If you want to, you can also scroll down and click on More Defaults. Then tap on one of those sections instead, like Gallery, and tap on any app you wish to apply. The only difference is you need to confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Change. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!